Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Simran and in this video I'm going to be talking about my entire jeans haul from Ajio and Cooves. This has been like the most requested video on my channel because I buy a lot of vintage good fitted jeans, and I know being a girl like who has heavy thighs, it's very difficult. It's very frustrating to find a jeans that actually hugs your body perfectly and it fits, and it also like has the desired length, and it's not like it's very comfortable at the crotch area as well. So before we get started, I just want to say that I'm going to be sharing all the prices and which size you should be going for if you're shopping online. I'm also going to be sharing with you all the things that I consider before I make a purchase for a jeans and trousers, because it's very difficult to find like a pair of jeans that actually fits your body perfectly and it does not make you look really short as well. Let's get into the video, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell button. Let's get started. So starting with the first jeans, it's one of my favorite jeans, which is this flare jeans. From the front it's light, from the back it's blue. This is from Trendoil and this is size 38. This I bought from Ajio. The best thing about this jeans is that it's quite high-waisted. It's like the most high-waisted jeans that I have. How you can tell that is you should just be able to look at this area from here, from where the crotch is till the waist button. It's like a wide leg. So the difference between flare jeans and wide leg is that a wide leg jeans is like, flare jeans is basically like it will go straight, tight and then it will become flared. But like a wide jeans, the flare starts from the thigh itself, so it's gonna be like this. If you're not too tall, don't go for wide jeans unless your legs are quite tall, otherwise it is going to make you look really short. Go for flare jeans instead. So there's a reason why I usually wear this in my shoot and not like outside that much. Still, like the material is great. It is stretchable. This is so high-waisted. This is definitely worth the money from Ajio. This one is a flare jeans and it's also quite high-waisted, and this is one of my favorite jeans that I wear to office and just like anywhere on a daily basis. Like very frequently I wear this one. It's very stretchable. Like you can just tell from the fabric, it's very stretchable. So the sizing is not even an issue. This is from Trendoil. This is size 40. Whenever you're shopping for jeans, don't focus on just like the waist area, but you have to also focus on the hip area. Rather than focusing on the waist size, make sure that it fits you from the hip. Like the reason why I bought a size 40 was because from the hip I knew it was going to fit me perfectly. That's like one trick that you should be remembering whenever you're shopping for jeans and any kind of trousers. Like it's really long in length, so this kind of jeans I wear with heels or heeled shoes, any kind of heeled footwear. When I'm wearing a heel and the jeans is going to cover that heel area, it's going to add to my height, so it's going to give an illusion of having really longer legs. The next one is a mom jeans, and this is by the brand Emma Cloth. This is in the size L. This one is faded and it's also high-waisted jeans. Like I always wear only high-waisted jeans. I never wear low-waist jeans, even trousers. So this is also quite high-waisted. This is how it is. And usually when I'm wearing some mom jeans or something, what I like to do is I like to just fold this once or twice. If you are short like me and if you're going to be wearing mom jeans, just make sure that you're wearing nude heels or heels basically, because mom jeans is actually on the contrary to wide jeans. It's going to make you look really short because it starts from your waist area and then it ends at your ankles, and anything that ends at your ankles, then it is going to give an illusion of shorter legs. So just make sure to wear it with heels. Whenever I wear this kind of mom jeans, I always wear it in winters with boots or my H&M shoes that have like quite a heel. Now the next one is a recent purchase of mine from Cooves.com, and this is Cooves denim designed in London, size 28, and this is it's nice. It just fits really perfectly. It's very soft. It's not at all harsh on my body. Whenever wearing this, it's very breathable, right? Even for a denim material, which is very good quality. If you want to wear denims during summer, just go for like kind of like really light fabrics. Even though it's black, it's not like jet black, so it's going to add some sort of texture in my outfit. This one is 28 size, but even for 28 size, it's quite big. So whenever you are shopping for bottom wear, just make sure to go to the size chart of every brand, because for every brand it's different. I know my size in Trendoil and I know my size in Cooves, so I know how to shop. Now moving on to another jeans, which is something that I don't wear. I just bought it and I thought it would look good on me, but it is not. I don't know why I bought it, because it was on sale and I wanted to try something new. But it's going to be this slim jeans from Trendoil. Okay, like it's a great jeans. It's just that I never wear jeans that are not flared. I don't like, I have this thing like it's skinny jeans. I have this thing that I can't wear anything that's tight around my calf area and my ankles. It itches me a lot, it irritates me a lot. So I usually just prefer wearing wide jeans or like flared jeans, mom jeans. Very stretchable fabric. Love that about this one. Very great quality, very good detailing. This is also from Trendoil and it's in size 31. To find a denim fabric that's very stretchable, it's also very rare. So love that thing about this denim fabric. Now the next one is again a mom jeans, but I bought this from Coops.com. It's like one of the jeans that I used to wear a lot in college, and this is like my first mom jeans that I bought, and that's like the reason why I was obsessed with it, because of the shade of the jeans. It's very different from the jeans that you get that are like, you know, entirely sky blue. It's not sky blue, but it does have like little texture of dark blue, which I absolutely love. So they kind of go like this, and then they make your waist look slimmer. You can just look. Love the bag design as well. Very nice. A perfect buy if you are looking for mom jeans. Just go check out Coops.com and the brand K Denim. They have the best high-waisted jeans. First has to be my favorite brand, which is Trendoil. This is again like my favorite jeans that I still wear to this day. It's been like, I don't know, 4 years and it still looks new. It's kind of, it has faded, like the color has faded a lot, but I used to wear this on a daily basis. So look, like I have worn this for so many years on a daily basis. The color has not faded. It's still very new. It looks very new. This one is again from Trendoil. This is size 36. Coming on to the first thing that I loved about this jeans was the waist length. The second thing would have to be the shape of the jeans. Fitted till knee region, but from the knee region, flare starts. Because the flare is not too much also, it makes my legs look extremely tall. In photos, in real life, I always wear these with my Forever 21 ankle length boots. If you're going to be wearing it with just like U-shaped footwear, it's not going to be looking that edgy. But if you wear it with pointed footwear, it is going to make your look edgy. Now moving on to the last jeans in this haul, it's a white denim from Coops. So now this one is like a little baggy. It's some boyfriend jeans. It's again high-waisted. It is what I love about this. First of all, it's not at all stretchable, so you have to make sure that whenever you're buying the denim, also make sure that you end up buying a size that actually fits you, or maybe like a little loose. So I usually pair this up with my white H&M shoes and like black top and a grey blazer. White can be such an experimental color. If you want to pair your white jeans, you can pair it up with any color, but I usually go for something like this, like a top that has little white detailing, and then you can see how great it's going to look with this one. So with that, we have come to an end of this haul. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell button. Also mention down if you want me to cover any other hauls or any kind of video. I would really appreciate your suggestions, because I've just started my channel and I'm trying to figure out what all videos you want to watch. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.